Using a credit card wisely in Canada requires a solid understanding of how credit cards work and a well-thought-out strategy for managing your debt. The first step is to choose the right credit card for your needs. Considering factors such as interest rates, fees, and rewards programs. When selecting a credit card, look for one with a low interest rate and minimal fees. If you plan on carrying a balance, a card with a 0% introductory APR can be beneficial. On the other hand, if you pay your balance in full each month, a card with a rewards program can provide significant benefits. Once you have chosen a credit card, it is essential to use it responsibly. This means making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization ratio below 30%. To avoid interest charges, try to pay your balance in full each month. If this is not possible, make sure to make more than the minimum payment to pay off the principal amount and reduce your debt. Another crucial aspect of using a credit card wisely is monitoring your credit report. You can request a free credit report from the two major credit reporting agencies in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion, and review it for any errors or inaccuracies. Additionally, be aware of the potential pitfalls of credit cards, such as overspending and accumulating debt. To avoid these traps, set a budget and stick to it, and avoid making impulse purchases. Consider implementing the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. By following these steps and being mindful of your credit card usage, you can use your credit card wisely and enjoy the benefits it provides while maintaining a healthy financial situation. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement and ask questions if you are unsure about any aspect of your card.